This is a certified pre-owned 2010 Acura TSX. This four-door sedan has a 5-speed automatic transmission and a 3.5-liter V6. Its top features and packages include the Premium Sound Package, a double wishbone independent front suspension, a navigation system, a rear-view camera, heated seats, traction control and stability control systems, xenon headlights, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: alloy wheels, air conditioning with automatic climate control, cruise control, a premium sound system, an electronic throttle, performance tires, an engine immobilizer theft deterrent system, an anti-lock braking system, a split folding rear seat, and this vehicle has less than 28,000 miles. This Acura has had only one owner and it qualifies for the Carfax buyback guarantee. Stop by today and test drive this vehicle for yourself.